Alright, kiddo, so now that we know which one's wave 1 and which one's wave 2, do we want to try our luck at wave 1 or do we want to finish out the 2s? You know, these are not life-changing decisions. Just pick something people are waiting.
Wave 2.
We'll finish up the wave 2s.
Yep.
Alright. Let's see what we got. Wave 2. Here we go. We don't really have like a huge preference for wave 2. It's kind of like whatever we get is fine, but...
Just that battle cat is why...
Well, that's wave 1.
Yeah. Wave 1 I love.
Alright. A common Tila, which of course we have. So, that means you guys get another one for us to open. 2 more wave 2s to go. Come on, let's see. Let's see, wave 2. I mean, finish up with a rare beast man. It'd be nice to finish up that category. Okay.
It'd be cool if we got an ultra girl.
It would, wouldn't it? What do you think?
I'm not thinking we're gonna get an ultra girl.
You're not thinking we are? No, we've not had good luck.
I mean, we had good luck, but that's just...
We don't have a lot of grails. We have no ultra grails. We have 224. None of those yet. Let's see. And it's a common Orco, which we have a bunch of. All right.
A bunch.
And then we're going back. We're going back. And the last wave 2. Now, we got to think about this. If this is a duplicate, do we keep going to wave 1s in the same video, or do we space it out? Oh. Maybe that's it.
Maybe that's what we're missing for these ultra girls.
The Nikki head hug. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's make this happen. Something good. And it's not. Nothing special. More of the same. Although that is a good cereal down there. 489 out of 5,400. Super duper low. All right. Now, so what do you want to do, bud? Do we keep it going? Do we follow the dupe rule, or do we just do wave 1s in their own video?
We could break a rule just for this one time.
So what does that mean? Keep going?
No, don't.
Oh, don't. All right. Well, that's it. Then we'll be back with wave 1s separately after that. Sorry, guys. We didn't get anything new on this video, but we'll be back with all of these tomorrow.